Most people think there are thousands of ways to make money in 2026. That's the trap. Too many choices create paralysis, distraction, and years of wasted motion. The truth? Nearly every legit income path fits into just 15 categories. Once you understand these, the game becomes simpler, faster, and far more profitable. And one of these 15 is quietly creating millionaires while most people ignore it. Here's why people stay broke online. They keep chasing random methods instead of understanding money mechanics. They try dropshipping for 2 weeks, trading for 3 days, YouTube for 1 month, then quit and restart somewhere else. It looks like hustle, but it's just chaos. Wealth usually comes from committing to one lane long enough to get good. But here's where it gets interesting. Quick heads up. Check out this book if you want to save yourself the stress of buying prompt bundles and start being the one who creates them. At the end of this book, you will be able to handle AI prompt engineering with precision for anything you want to do. I will put the link in the description. Way number 1, sell your skill. This is still the fastest route for beginners. Copywriting, video editing, AI automation, ad management, design, coding, thumbnail creation, email marketing. Businesses need help now. Platforms like Upwork, Contra, LinkedIn, X, and direct outreach make client hunting easier than ever. 1 paying client can change your month. 3 can change your life. Way number 2, build an agency. Instead of doing all the work yourself, you sell results and use freelancers or systems to deliver. Social media agencies, lead generation agencies, AI automation agencies, content repurposing agencies. This is how many people jump from freelancer income to business income. Same skill, bigger leverage. Way number 3, sell digital products. Templates, guides, Notion systems, prompts, planners, mini courses, niche toolkits, community access. Gumroad, Stan, Lemon Squeezy, Kajabi, and Shopify make selling easier than ever. Create once, sell many times. This changes everything. Way number 4, content monetization. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X, newsletters, podcasts. Revenue comes from ads, sponsors, affiliates, products, memberships, and leads. The creator economy in 2026 is not dead. It's just more professional. Low effort loses. Valuable creators win. Way number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote useful products and earn commissions, but not spammy links. Smart affiliates build trust through tutorials, reviews, comparison videos, SEO blogs, or email lists. 1 good video ranking in search can pay for years. Almost nobody talks about this next part. Way number 6, e-commerce with real branding. Generic dropshipping is crowded, but branded stores with fast shipping, original creatives, UGC ads, and community trust still print money. Beauty, pets, home gadgets, hobbies, niche apparel. The winners build brands, not random stores. Way number 7, sell information. If you know something useful, people pay to learn faster. Fitness coaching, language coaching, career coaching, dating coaching, business coaching, mindset programs. People don't buy information. They buy shortcuts and outcomes. Way number 8, SaaS and micro tools. You don't need to build the next giant tech company. Tiny software solving one painful problem can create recurring income. AI writing tools, booking tools, niche calculators, analytics dashboards, CRM add-ons. Micro SaaS is exploding because small useful tools win. Way number 9, licensing and royalties. Sell music beats, stock footage, photography, voice packs, sound effects, templates, 3D assets, ebooks. Create assets once, get paid repeatedly. Quiet money is often the best money. Way number 10, arbitrage. Buy low, sell high. Flipping domains, collectibles, furniture, electronics, sneakers, vintage goods, liquidation stock. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, whatnot, Vinted. It's old school money using modern platforms. But don't do this yet, because the next 5 are where leverage gets serious. Way number 11, lead generation. Find businesses' customers, then charge per lead or monthly retainers. Roofers, dentists, lawyers, med spas, realtors, gyms. If you can make phones ring, people pay quickly. Way number 12, build communities, paid discords, school groups, masterminds, private memberships, niche forums. Humans pay to belong, learn, and network. A loyal community can outperform huge audiences. Way number 13, Investing cash flow. Once income starts, use it. Index funds, businesses, real estate shares, dividend strategies, private deals. Many people learn earning, but never learn keeping. Way number 14, partnerships and equity. Help someone grow using your skill in exchange for ownership or revenue share. You edit videos for a creator, build funnels for a coach, automate systems for a company. Instead of one payment, you share upside. Way number 15, build an audience around your journey. This one is underestimated. Document learning freelancing, fitness, coding, parenting, money, gaming, faith, anything. Audiences compound. Today, 0 viewers, later products, sponsors, clients, opportunities. And the biggest mistake happens here. People think they need to choose perfectly. You don't. You need to choose strategically. Start with cash flow methods first. Skills, freelancing, services, lead gen, agency work. Once money comes in, move into scalable methods, digital products, content, SaaS, investing, equity. That order matters. Too many broke people try passive income first. Passive income with no active income is fantasy. First build income, then build assets. Now let's talk hidden mistakes. Mistake 1, choosing based on hype. If a stranger online says a method made millions, that doesn't mean it fits you. Pick based on your strengths, patience level, and available time. Mistake 2, switching too fast. Most models need 3 to 12 months of consistency. Jumping every week resets progress. Mistake 3, ignoring sales. Even great products die if nobody sees them. Distribution matters more than perfection. Mistake 4, spending profits to look rich. Cars and flexing kill momentum. Reinvest early gains into skills, tools, ads, systems, and assets. Almost nobody talks about this next part. The richest people often combine methods. Example, freelancer becomes agency owner, then creates a course, then builds an audience, then launches SaaS, then invests profits. One stream starts the next. Imagine making $2,000 monthly freelancing, then $3,000 from clients, then $1,500 from digital products, then $800 affiliate income, then investments growing quietly. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary freedom. So what should a beginner do right now? Pick one fast cash lane today. Learn one skill people already pay for. Reach out daily. Get first income. Then use that money to buy time and build scalable assets. Simpler than it sounds, harder than it looks, worth every step. The truth is, there are not endless ways to make money in 2026. There are only a few timeless engines wearing modern clothes. Pick one, commit, master it, then stack the next. Because while others drown in options, you could be building your first real stream of freedom starting tonight.